Morphisec Linux data recovery. Full file restoration, no ransom required. Stop ransomware. Now and for good. When ransomware encrypts your workload, is it gone forever? This demo showcases how Morphisec Linux Protector restores it using captured encryption keys. This is an Ubuntu 22.04 machine with Morphisec Linux Protector running in the background.
On the left is the terminal, on the right, a folder with work files.
We start by opening a sample image file to confirm normal access before the attack. Morphisec's agent is active and protecting the machine in real time. Next, we execute a Babic ransomware variant. Files in the work directory begin encrypting immediately. Note the extensions changing on the left. The ransomware node appears, demanding payment for decryption. As expected, the encrypted files can no longer be accessed. We now run the Morphisec decryptor. By capturing encryption keys in memory during the attack, it restores all affected files to their original state. The incident is then reviewed in the Morphisec management console. Finally, the ransomware binary's hash is extracted and submitted to VirusTotal, confirming it as a known Babic sample. Morphisec Linux data recovery is part of our anti-ransomware assurance suite, restoring encrypted files in minutes using captured encryption keys. Learn more at morphisec.com or schedule a demo today.